Guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make some crispy oven fried chicken legs. Yes guys, oven fried. Oh my goodness, they are so tasty and delicious. Just using a few ingredients because we want to keep the flavor of the chicken. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, as I mentioned before, the ingredients are simple, so let's go over them. And all of them will be down in the description just for you. Okay, we've got our chicken legs. You can use any parts of the chicken you want, thighs, breasts, the whole chicken. I happen to have legs, so that's what we're going to use. You're going to need some flour. I'm going to season mine up with a little black pepper. This is cayenne pepper. Regular paprika, not smoked paprika, garlic, onion, Himalayan salt, and you'll need some baking powder as well. You're also going to need a couple of tablespoons of butter. That's it, guys. Simple, easy, made from scratch. Okay, let's get these crispy oven fried chicken legs made. Okay, I want you guys to preheat your oven at this point to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. As I mentioned, I'll have everything in the description. Couple of tablespoons of butter, get a cookie sheet, oven tray, whatever you have, put the butter on it. You want the butter to melt in the oven while the oven is preheating and you're preparing your chicken because you want to place the chicken on a hot sheet. So let me get this in the oven and I'll be right back. Okay, so the star of our dish, our chicken, make sure you dry each leg off really well after you've washed it really, really good. You want to make sure each one is good and dry going into the oven. Once your chicken is good and dry, you just want to go in with your seasonings, your favorite seasonings. I will list all of mine down in the description. And I'm just going to put it all in here first, and then we're going to massage it in. That was Himalayan salt. This is onion powder. I'm going in now with some garlic powder. I am also using some cayenne pepper, but if you don't want the heat, leave out the cayenne pepper. We're also going in with regular paprika. Make sure it's not smoked paprika, at least for my recipe, and a little black pepper. I am going to go ahead and get this massaged in really, really well. After we massage this in, we're going to go in with the other ingredients and get our tray out of the oven and get her cooked. Okay, now you want to go in with your flour. We want to coat these really well. We're going to also add in our baking powder. Just a couple of spoonfuls, teaspoons full will do. Go ahead and again, get this massaged in really well. Get the flour over every piece of chicken that you have. Use a larger bowl if you have more chicken than what I'm using right now. Seems like our butter has melted, so I'm going to go ahead and get the tray out, wash my hands up, and we'll be back. Okay, our butter has melted, as you can see. Grab my mitten here because this is hot. Take a brush and brush the butter all over your foil. Go ahead and lay your chicken in here. You want to lay it skin side down and make sure you leave room between each pieces. Put your larger pieces on the end. They seem to cook a little faster that way. Just make sure you have some room there. Get this one over a little bit. Oh, that was right. Make sure you shake the excess off. Okay, we have this preheated oven to 425. We're going to put this tray back in there for about 30 minutes. Then we'll turn our chicken over and cook it for an additional 30-45 minutes. All right, we'll be back. Okay, let's go in and get our chicken turned over. Ooh, looking good, looking good. Oh, yes. Ooh, if you guys could just smell this. We're going to have to turn it over on all sides. So this is our first turn right here. Ooh, look at that. Let me show you guys. Look how nice and crispy that is looking. Oh my goodness. Smells delicious. Okay guys, our chicken is all done. Doesn't this look amazing? Ooh, it's piping hot. It's piping hot. Oh my goodness. Ooh, let me guys just show you guys a piece up close. This looks amazing, amazing, amazing. Look at how crispy and look that good. Doesn't that look delicious? All over, guys. Oh my goodness. Ooh, delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh my goodness. Needs to cool some, guys, but I don't know if you can hear that or not. Can you hear that? Can you hear how crispy that is? Ooh, delicious, delicious, delicious. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Oh my goodness. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Trying to get me a piece off of here, and this is really hot. Woo, so you guys can see the inside, how juicy it is. Yes, look at that, look at that.